Hello guys, I'm gonna be showing you my new nerf gun I got at Goodwill. I know, it's Goodwill. Okay. I'm second guys on this like the Fortnite SP stands for suppressed pistol. It does come with a suppressor. I'm gonna put it on. Okay. Okay. The Fortnite SP. The round, it has a 3 dot capacity. I'm trying to unload this thing so I don't accidentally shoot it. It has a 3 dot capacity. The inside. Me loading it. I load it kind of weird. Like I just keep going speed and stuff. Yeah. Kaboomy. Okay. Time for me loading the gun. Let's go. I'm already a guest, guys. This is gonna get no views. Loaded. Yeah, like it doesn't shoot for some reason. Cause it's a good gun. What do you think, bro? What do you think, bro? Okay, by the way, guys, please like and subscribe before I end this video, and please get this a lot of views. YouTube has been like at least almost 5 minutes making this video and stuff. Yeah, bye.